Ajiwi ishi Sinakeithei Shokta Kale to short Vivang Aina in he Hankangaine Kachiva Ishiwi Dankul Naka area li Shokta Kale Jati Kani Vivang Aina Hitada Shokta Kale Aya take 6 we Simisho Pung Chuko Kataina Kap Marok the Kale Yurchat Kani Kap Marok the Kale Itumbi Kap Marok Salala Po Mina Shitting the Sada Kale Saiko Rawiva Naka Tankor area Gatong Marinka Pa Pongchok the Kalene Shanao Long Gatonga Wivang in a He Hang Kangaine.
Sinakeithei Shanao Long protest Sada Klahi Ayang Tor Pungchiko Minit Hang Pangawe na Hoboklaka Arching a Tor Ainatanga Sinakeithei sophisticated Salaka high weapon Shichinlaga even bomb Ainatanga Shichinlaga Kuram Hili Kapsang Laga Paray Nausan Kernausan National Kutongali Panic Sakangasak Ngayam Tadama Bima Pam Kangasak Hui Maringa Pasada Aji to me protestipam the Klene Jana Kukis terrorist hina Sui Aming Hon Laga Free movement Salaga Litanu Ocho Choklala Akali Shok Salala Sinakeithei Laga Hitada Kukis terrorist hina attack Sashon Gaji Aji Ramna Huptana Taimilo Gachibava Sinakeithei Raiwe Apamaning Mane Ka itum Mijam Praja hearing room the Klene Chivana itumi Kring Kraklila Matshung Matamaida Gala Tang Tangwi Kring Krakli Sava Gigachi Otpam Gachivali Gala Gajawi Otmuruchi Mapung Palakana Sava Kvaikachi Yari Saiko Paptamilo Gachila Polishitale Litanli shock Toili shock Sinakeithei Hitada Etegrasa Shon Gaji Bomb Shichin Laga Persang Saklaga Kangachi Kangajam sophisticated Salagai could like Tonga Shichin Laga Hitada Ram Hili Kapi Kapama Pakwila laying a Saktakli Atumi Sakashia Ningrin Kukis terrorist being with Sakshilagai and Ningrin Hile Plunga Gaji Kala Atum Hita attack Satakli itum Sinakeithei Marine Papa Lumane Gaji Ponga Shoksada itum Sinakeithei Shanao Long I hope for the Hilipam the Klene share.
We, the women of Sinakeithei village in Manipur, have come together to sit in peaceful protest to strongly condemn yesterday's incidents. The attack reportedly carried out by Kukis terrorists using sophisticated weapons has created fear and insecurity among all residents. For the past 1 and 2 months, my village, Sinakeithei, has been facing repeated incidents of gunfire, bombing, and serious disturbances in our day-to-day lives. We cannot continue to live our normal life as usual. Yesterday's incident was not an isolated case. It has been repeatedly carried out by the Kukis terrorists in our village. People living in this village have already been in constant fear, and students cannot go to the school as usual. They cannot go out and play. Their minds are already traumatized. Elders and all-age persons, even though they are weak, even though they cannot move freely, they are just staying at home with fear and trembling. Even yesterday night, the small children, aged 1 to 2 years, they are shivering and cannot even voice out, hearing the sound of bombing and gunfire. So, through this media, I would like to appeal to the concerned authorities to take immediate actions, to the government of Manipur, the Honorable Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchan, to look into the incidents that had been happening in our village. We cannot go on like this. We need basic rights as a human beings. We need food, we need education, we need finances to continue living. But what happened here is the Kukis terrorists are setting up their bunkers in our own land, in our own mountain ranges, Lungtir ranges, We cannot even get into our garden to pluck the vegetables that we planted. And even now, for the upcoming months, to survive, we cannot even go there and plant paddy or vegetables. So we want our respected government to look into the situation. We also set up the bunkers in our village itself, but that is just to defend ourselves, the very land that we have left. As we have already raised our voices so many times in the media that the Kukis terrorists are encroaching our land, our property, and that is not a rightful thing. The bunkers that they had set up had already disturbed our lives repeatedly during the daytime, maybe morning or even at night. We cannot move freely, whereas the Kukis terrorists, they are moving freely, carrying the sophisticated weapons here and there. To live along with that, it's not proper for a simple common people to live peacefully. We would like to condemn and also appeal the Manipur government, especially the Manipur government, to look into the situation and take immediate actions, dismantle the bunkers that they have already set up in our land, and also upgrade the securities which we need and fulfill the basic rights that we as a human being needs. We are peaceful, loving society, and we are not asking something which is not reasonable. We are demanding to give us the thing which we need, which is a basic rights for us. Thank you so much.